The corporate living Word of God community are those believers that already live in heavenly places while yet trapped in earthly bodies of shame. It is those that are conscious of the fact that their souls are saved and resurrected out of the place of the dead, Hades, now brought over already into the corporate Christ body, walking in the Spirit already in their generation, while listening obediently to the Spirit word that is the only life in them. The corporate word body are those that allow the peace of God to rule in their hearts at all time and in every situation. They are thankful that they are partakers of the body of the word, namely the Christ. They allow the Spirit word of the Christ to dwell in them richly in all wisdom. They teach and admonish one another in psalms, hymns, and spiritual song, singing with grace in their hearts, with thanksgiving unto Father.